If you try drilling deep holes into a tree stump with an auger bit, you might get a frustrating problem. The bit gets dark, deep inside the wood, and stops your drill completely. When this happens, your drill cannot reverse it out, and you have to use a wrench to remove the bit by hand. In this video, I will show you why auger bits get jammed, how to remove a stock bit using a wrench, and most importantly, how to use a technique called peck drilling so you can drill deep and smooth without getting stuck. Before we start drilling, let's look at how an auger bit is designed. The screw tip. At the top, there is a small threaded tip. When it touches the wood, it pulls the bit down automatically. You do not need to push hard. The cutting edges. Right behind the tip, sharp edges cut the wood smoothly to make a clean, round hole. The wide flutes. These deep spiral grooves carry the wood chips up and out of the hole. This automatic pulling feature makes auger bits great for deep drilling, but it can also cause a problem. If wet wood chips get trapped inside the grooves, the tip keeps pulling down. This packs the chips tighter and tighter until the bit completely freezes in place. Here is what happens when you drill straight down without stopping. The wet, dense wood chips inside the stump pack together tightly. Because the chips cannot escape, friction locks the bit completely. Even switching your drill to reverse usually will not work. There is too much resistance, and you can damage your drill's motor or gears. If your bit gets stuck like this, here is how to remove it safely. First, detach the auger bit from your drill. Next, attach a wrench directly to the shank of the bit. Turn the wrench counterclockwise by hand. After a few full turns, you will break the friction from the trapped chips. The screw tip will loosen from the wood, and you can reattach your drill to back it out smoothly. Now, let's do it the correct way so you will not need a wrench again. In woodworking, the standard professional method for deep drilling is called peck drilling, or simply pecking. The idea is simple. Instead of drilling continuously, you drill in short steps, or pecks, and pull the bit straight up to clear out the wood chips. Watch the pattern here. First, let the screw tip pull the bit in about 1 to 2 inches. Next, keep the drill spinning and pull the bit straight up, out of the hole. The spinning motion uses the deep grooves to throw all the packed chips cleanly onto the top of the stump. Then, drill down another inch or two and pull up again. By clearing the grooves every inch, you stop friction before it builds up. The bit stays cool. Your drill works easily, and you can drill deep holes without getting stuck. For the next few minutes, I will leave the original audio on without voiceover so you can hear how the drill sounds during peck drilling. To summarize, auger bits pull into the wood automatically, but you still need to clear out the wood chips. If you get stuck, do not force your drill. Disconnect the drill and use a wrench on the base shank to turn it out by hand. To prevent getting stuck, use peck drilling. Drill 1 to 2 inches at a time. Pull up while the drill is spinning to clear the chips and repeat. If this video helped save your drill or helped with your stump project, please click the like button and subscribe for more practical tool guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next project.